Imagine an invisible monster that appears out of nowhere, destroys everything in its path, and disappears within minutes. A tornado can lift cars, tear apart houses, and change direction in seconds. But why do most of them occur in the United States? How do they compare to hurricanes and cyclones? Today, we'll uncover the most shocking secrets of tornadoes and what makes them so terrifying. What is a tornado? A tornado is a rotating funnel of air that extends from a cloud to the ground. While some are weak and last only a few seconds, others can become devastating storms with winds exceeding 298 miles per hour, 480 kilometers per hour. But here's the question: if tornadoes can occur anywhere in the world, why does the US experience 75% of them? Why does the US have the most tornadoes? Each year, about 2,000 tornadoes are recorded worldwide, and 1,300 of them occur in the US alone. The reason lies in a region known as Tornado Alley, which includes Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Nebraska. But what makes this area so special? Warm, humid winds from the Gulf of Mexico collide with cold, dry winds descending from Canada. When these opposing air masses meet, they create the perfect conditions for forming supercells, the most dangerous type of storm that can generate tornadoes. How does a tornado form? Most tornadoes begin with a supercell, a massive storm with winds moving in different directions. Step 1. A horizontal wind tunnel forms in the air. Step 2. Evaporation and humidity cause the tunnel to tilt vertically. Step 3. A funnel cloud forms and extends downward. Step 4. The moment it touches the ground, it officially becomes a tornado. But here's the scariest part. Some tornadoes can form in under 10 minutes with almost no warning. Real-life example: the deadliest tornado in history. The most deadly tornado ever recorded happened in 1925 in the United States, known as the Tri-State Tornado. Duration: 3.5 hours, a record for tornadoes. States affected: Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. Damage: destroyed 15,000 homes and left over 695 people dead. And let's not forget the 2011 Joplin tornado, which killed 161 people and caused $2.8 billion in damages. Did you know a tornado can throw cars more than 200 meters, 650 feet? Difference between a tornado, hurricane, cyclone, and typhoon. Many people confuse these terms, but here's the key. Tornadoes form over land and last minutes or a few hours. Hurricanes, typhoons, and cyclones are the same type of storm but have different names based on location. Hurricane arrow pointing to America and the Atlantic. Typhoon arrow Asia and the Pacific. Cyclone the Indian Ocean. Shocking. Fact: although a hurricane is much larger than a tornado, tornado wind speeds can be twice as strong as those of a Category 5 hurricane. What to do if you're caught in a tornado? If you're at home, take shelter in a basement or a windowless room. If you're in a car, don't try to outrun it. Find shelter or a low-lying area like a ditch. If you're in a high-rise building, go to the lowest floor and cover your head. Remember, tornadoes are unpredictable and can change direction in seconds. Call to action. We want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced a tornado or an extreme storm? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next episode.